On a moonlit night in August 1925, the wheels of history turned on the tracks of a remote railway station in northern India. Welcome to Kakori, a place where ordinary men became extraordinary heroes and a daring act of defiance echoed through the ages. Picture this, a steam engine huffing and puffing its way through the night, carrying not just passengers, but the very lifeblood of British colonial rule in India. Tax money bound for the coffers of the British Crown. Little did anyone know that this remote journey was about to become a pivotal moment in India's freedom struggle. Enter the Hindustan Republican Association, a group of fiery young revolutionaries with an audacious plan. Their mission? To strike at the heart of the British authority and fund their fight for freedom. But who were these brave souls willing to risk everything for the country? Ram Prasad Bismil, the passionate poet turned revolutionary. Ashfaqullah Khan, whose unwavering commitment to a united India knew no bounds. Chandrasekhar Azad, the sharp-shooting strategist who vowed never to be captured alive. And Rajendra Lahiri, the quiet intellectual whose pen was as mighty as his sword. They were further aided by Manmatnath Gupta, Mukundi Lal, Roshan Singh, Murari Lal Gupta, and Banwari Lal. As the train screeched to a halt at Kakori station, after Rajendra Lahiri pulled the chain, our revolutionaries sprang into action. With lightning speed and nerves of steel, they overpowered the guards and seized a princely sum of rupees 8,000, a fortune in those days. But this was no ordinary robbery. It was a bold statement, a challenge to the mighty British Empire. The British reaction was swift and merciless. A massive manhunt was launched, and one by one, most of the revolutionaries were captured. The trial that followed became the talk of the nation. Bismil, Khan, Lahiri and Roshan Singh paid the ultimate price, facing the gallows with unwavering courage.
जब उनको 19 दिसंबर 1927 को फैजाबाद जेल में फांसी होना थी और उस दिन हमारा उससे एक हफ्ते पहले उनका शहीद अशफाकुल्लाह खां का परिवार हमारे बुजुर्ग गए उनसे मिलने के लिए, तो वो नहाने गए हुए थे। तो वो नहा के जब निकले तो लोगों ने देख के रोने लगे, आंसू पोंछे। उन्होंने अपनी तौलिया कंधे से उतार के और ये कहा कि आप लोग को इस बात पे नाज होना चाहिए, गर्व होना चाहिए कि आपका बेटा जो है खानदान का, वो मुल्क के लिए, भारत माँ की आज़ादी के लिए फांसी पे पलने जा रहा है। तो अभी उन्होंने ये कहा कि मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरे बाद मेरे घर में किसी का नाम अशफाक रखा जाए मेरे नाम के ऊपर।
Others, like Manmatnath Gupta, were sentenced to life in the notorious cellular jail in the Andaman Islands. Among HRA's senior leaders, only Chandrasekhar Azad was able to evade arrest. With these harsh measures, the British authorities hoped to crush the spirit of rebellion. But they had miscalculated. The execution sparked widespread outrage. From bustling cities to remote villages, Indians of all backgrounds were united in their condemnation. The Kakori conspiracy, meant to be a cautionary tale, instead became a rallying cry for freedom. Today, Kakori stands as a silent witness to that fateful night. But the spirit of those brave revolutionaries lives on, while the Kakori Martyrs Memorial near it honors and remembers these revolutionaries. In 2021, recognizing the true significance of this event, the Uttar Pradesh government officially changed its name from Kakori Kand, implying a mere incident, to Kakori Train Action, honoring it as a deliberate act of revolution. Now, a century later, the Uttar Pradesh government is celebrating these heroes with year-long commemorations. The celebrations were inaugurated by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in an event at the Kakori Martyrs Memorial on August 9, wherein he felicitated the family members of the martyrs while also issuing a postal cover to commemorate the Kakori action. The event also hosted an extensive exhibition of articles related to the Kakori case. The lesson of Kakori echoes through time. As we honor these revolutionaries, we are reminded that the price of freedom is eternal vigilance, and that ordinary individuals can change the course of history.